Today we are creating a Picasso head, and we're just going to play around with some different features that go along with Picasso style. So we're going to go to www.PicassoHead.com. This website will take you directly to a gallery where it shows you a bunch of other faces that were created by people who use this website, so you can look through that if you want. But what you really want is right below that gallery where it says create your own Picasso head. When you click on that, it will take you to a blank canvas where you can add the different features of the face one at a time that are styled after Picasso. So I'm just going to click on one of these features that I like. I'm going to drag it over to my blank canvas. I can choose to make it smaller if I want, or I can make it bigger by just clicking or holding on it. If I want to change the color of it, I'm going to click on this paint palette over here, change the color of it. Then I can just move on to the next feature. So now I'm going to add an eye. If I want to make it bigger. I could also choose to rotate the features if I want. So if I want to rotate the eye a little bit, I can just click and hold, or I can just click. I can add another eye, make it look like it's winking at me. Make it a little bit crazier. Oops, come on. There we go. So if I choose that I don't like the way that something looks, I can just simply delete it and then pick another one. You can change the colors of all the features. Just click on it. So even if you change your mind, you want to come back to it, just come back and click on that thing, and then you can change its color. So when you are all done playing around with it, you have a lot of fun with this. So just put that right there. The last thing it has is abstracts. So these are things that you just add into the background or whatever. Well, it kind of looks like a nose piercing there. So if it is something that you decide that you want to add to the background later, I don't want it to go on top of her chin, what I can do is I can send it backwards. And I just keep clicking on it until it ends up behind. So now it kind of looks like it is behind the face instead. And those you can change the color to as well. So when you are happy with the way that your Picasso looks, you are going to do a screenshot of that. So I am going to hit Control Print Screen on my keyboard, and then I'm going to come to my Google Classroom where it says Mrs. H's art class. You're going to go there, and it has an assignment called Picasso Faces where you're going to go into this Google Slides and you're going to create a new slide. So we'll do that with the little plus sign right over here. It says to put your name on the slide and then paste a picture from your Picasso creation. So now I'm going to come to my new slide. I'm going to put my name. And then right down here, I'm going to just hit Control V. I don't want it to be that big. I just want the picture inside. So I'm going to come over here to this little icon that looks like two L's combined. That's how you crop an image. It says that right there, crop image. So I'm going to click on that, and I'll put some black rectangle around my image and some little corners to grab. So I'm going to grab those corners and I'm going to pull it down to my Picasso face. Oops, I missed. There we go. Just like that. And then I'm going to hit enter. And now I have my Picasso face. You can make it a little bigger if you want. And just like that, you're done.